How to clear your banking app cache safely. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you clear your banking app cache safely. Now, clearing your banking app cache is a safe way to resolve glitch and improve performance without deleting your account or personal settings. It only removes temporary files such as image, preview, or script that helps the app load faster. So what you want to do is, first thing first, safely removing temporary files. You will not be logged out and your performance as well. So for that, you just want to open up settings on your device and locate apps from the list. Go to your banking app. Here, you just want to make sure to go and look for the banking app. Here it is. Next, you just want to tap on storage and cache. Here, you could simply tap on clear cache, and this is the safest way you could do to clear your banking app cache. As for the iOS device, you could just go to settings and go to general and then locate iPhone storage, and you could select your banking app and you could tap offload app, and you could also reinstall the app to refresh it with a clean cache as well. And this way you should be able to clear cache on Android. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.